The offshore substation, inshore the OSS for the Hohe See wind farm, is being constructed in Hoboken, Belgium, and is already 70 to 80% finished. A few crucial steps still need to be completed before the loadout, which is due to take place in June. One of them is taking place today, the installation of the main transformers. Each transformer is 9 meters high, 5 meters deep and 7 meters in length, and weighs in at 190 tons. However, this is no problem for the heavy-duty crane that can handle loads up to 800 tons. The weight is due to the large amounts of copper, steel and around 50 tons of oil that is designed to prevent a short circuit in the transformer. A total of 3 main transformers will be installed in the OSS. Every transformer is tasked with stepping up the electrical voltage from the wind farm from 33,000 to 155,000 volts. Each transformer handles around a third of the output from the entire wind farm, which means it could supply 200,000 households with electricity. The colossal transformer is lifted into the interior through a hatch in the top deck. At this point, the heavy-duty crane receives assistance from some pure muscle power. Full concentration is necessary at this stage. The view from below shows how there are only a few centimeters to spare. The transformer needs to be precisely positioned on its base. Afterwards, it will be bolted securely to the foundations for transport by sea. The work is now finished. All 3 transformers have been installed in the OSS, where they will stay for the next 25 years if all goes well.